What are the brightest galaxies in the universe? Our own Milky Way galaxy is about as bright as 10 billion suns. Is this impressive? Unfortunately, the answer is no. There are galaxies out there that are as bright as 100 trillion suns. Now that is impressive. Now you might be wondering, if these galaxies are so bright, how come we can't see them with our own eyes every night? Well, it turns out that these galaxies can only be seen with a special type of telescope, one that can see heat, like the infrared cameras you see in spy movies, instead of regular light that you can see with your eyes. Only instead of looking for the hot bodies and bad guys, these telescopes are looking for hot spots in the sky. And what they have found are galaxies 10 billion light years away that are so bright we can detect their heat even here on Earth. Now let's take a minute to think about what it means to see galaxies 10 billion light years away. As the term light year implies, this distance is so huge that the light that left these galaxies 10 billion years ago is reaching us here on Earth only just now. We are seeing these galaxies as they were 10 billion years in the past. We are getting a glimpse of what they looked like at the beginnings of their lives. And it turns out that they were really hot and really, really bright. You can measure how hot and how bright these galaxies are to get an idea of how many stars they are forming. Sorry. And it turns out that these galaxies are forming up to several thousand stars every year. If you don't think this is impressive, consider the fact that our own Milky Way galaxy is forming only one measly star every year. In fact, these ultraviolet galaxies are responsible for the formation of most of the stars that fill our universe today. So when we study these galaxies, we are learning about an important point in cosmic history, about a time when the stars necessary to keep people like us alive were made. Unfortunately, we don't really understand why these galaxies form so many stars. That is the question that I would like to answer with my research. To look for important clues, I am using images from the best telescopes available today to look at questions such as how many of these galaxies there were in the early universe, and whether or not they are close enough to interact with each other with their gravity. In the end, I hope to get a better understanding of the forces that drove the universe to look the way it does today, with galaxies like our own Milky Way, with stars like our sun, and with little humans on Earth who look up into the sky and wonder, what are the brightest galaxies in the universe? Thank you.